In the video you are about to watch, the disassembly of the DPA 4073 tandem gear pump is demonstrated. First, the gear pump with a triangular connection attached to the back of the tandem pump is removed. Then, the gasket and 6x6 coupling are removed. The reducer fitting connected to the pump's pressure line is also removed, and the pump is securely clamped in a vise. The 8 M12 bolts holding the housing and cover together are unscrewed. The cover is gently tapped with a hammer to remove it. The upper pressure plate, gears, and lower pressure plate are removed in sequence. Thank you for watching.